Hello, my dear friends. This is Dikshit sir with a new video on the topic linear equations in one variable. Okay, this is for standard 8. It's a request to all of you. Don't just watch these videos, practice these numericals in a separate notebook. Maintain a proper notebook for this, and it will surely help you. And also, one more thing to highlight, even though you might be from CBSE board or state board or international board, this topic, the syllabus which I am covering is NCERT, and it is surely going to help full to all the types of board or the schools wherever you are studying. Okay, so let us begin with today's questions or the video. Question number 1, a positive number is 5 times another number. A positive number is 5 times another number. Now let us begin with, let one of the number be x, so another number will be 5x. Why so? Because he has clearly given that the other number is 5 times the first number. If 21 is added to both the number, now friends, look here. Here it is x plus 21, and here I have written 5x plus 21. So why so? Because he says 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. So what I have done is, see here, x plus 21, x plus 21. So now twice of this is equal to the other. Twice of this is 2 multiplied by x plus 21 is equal to 5x plus 21. 21 added twice of this number is equal to the other number. Fine. And now it's very simple. You just need to simplify it, solve it. So see, open the bracket. 2 into x is 2x. Then 2 into 21 is 42 is equal to 5x plus 21. Next step is 42. I have shifted this 21 to left hand side. Friends, you know this is called transposition. If this number is plus 21 on the right hand side, if I take it to left hand side, it becomes minus 21. So 42 minus 21 is equal to 5x and minus 2x. So this is 42 minus 21 is 21 is equal to 3x, and therefore now this 3, it is in multiplication. So if I transpose it to left hand side, it becomes 21 by 3. So the value of x is 21 by 3, that is 7. Now what was x actually? X was the first number. So the one of the number, that is the first number, is x, and that is 7. Hope you are getting this. Okay, the next stage will be, now the other number will be 5 into 7, because the other number was 5x. So it is 5 into 7, that is 35. Fine. Let us start with second problem. Question number 2. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. Friends, just clear the concept. Whenever the ratio is given, you don't consider that we have 7 boys and 5 girls. See, this is a ratio. Now the actual number will be, you have to multiply this ratio by a common term. So the number of boys will be, if I consider the term as x, then common factor as x, then 7x will be the number of boys, and 7x, and next will be like 7x, and the number of girls will be 5x. Again, the number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. So therefore number of boys, I have assumed it to be 7x, and number of girls to be 5x. Next step, number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. Number of boys is 8 more than number of girls. Now number of boys is 8 more, then number of girls means what? Boys and girls, the difference between them is 8. correct? So therefore I have written an equation 7x minus 5x equal to 8. So 2x equal to 8 and we get x equal to 4. But x is what? It was a multiplying factor. Now he has asked me find 8 more than number of girls. What is the total strength, class strength? That means total number of boys and girls. So the next step will be number of boys will be 7 into x. We got the answer for x as 4. So 7 into 4, that is 28, and number of girls will be 5 into x, that is 5 fours are 20, and the total number of students will be equal to 28 plus 20, that is 48. Okay, so Tanay, are you getting? Fine, practice it in your notebook. Next question. 15 years from now, Ravi's age, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. The problems are the variety of problems we have, but these are simple to start with. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. Okay, so what we are going to do is start with some assumption. Let the present age of Ravi is equal to x years. The present age of Ravi is x years. After 15 years, see 15 years from now, his age will be 4 times his present age. So after 15 years, his age will be, now if I am say for example x years, after 15 years I will be x plus 15. And now he has given a relation between today's age and age after 15 years. So age after 15 year is equal to 4 times his present age. Therefore x plus 15 is equal to 4 into x. Okay, so this is x plus 15 is equal to 4x. So 15, why so? 15 I have kept it as it is, 4x as it is. I have shifted this x to right hand side, so 4x minus x. Okay, so 15 is equal to 3x. Now transpose this 3, that is it was 3 multiplied by x. If I shift this 3 to left hand side, it becomes division. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to x, and the value of x is 5. Now what was x actually? It was Ravi's present age, and this was asked. So Ravi's present age will be 5 years. Friends, next problem. This is a problem on a digit or a number, like interchanging the digits and so on. Fine. So I have put a star over here. You kindly practice this problem very well. It's easy, but you need to understand the concept. Sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9 when we interchange the digit. Friends, but just wait a couple of minutes before actually solving this problem. I will understand the concept of how number is formed. Say for example, I write here a number as 54. Now this is units place digit and this is tens place digit. This is units place, this is tens place. Now how actually the number is generated? See here, the number is formed like this is tens place digit. So 5 multiplied by 10 plus this is units place digit. So this is 4 multiplied by 1, that is 50 plus 4, and hence the number is formed as 54. What people think is like 54, tens place digit is 5, units place is 4, so the number is 54. It is not that way. See, tens place you have to multiply it by 10, units place by 4. One more example, if I tell you that the units place digit is 3 and tens place digit is 2 and form the number, so how will you form? That is 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1, so 20 plus 3, that is 23. Clear? Now this is the concept which you have to use in this particular problem. See how we use it. First of all, we'll read the problem. Sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. Okay, that it's a 2-digit number and their total or sum is 9. So let the digit at the units place be x. Fine. So अगर units place का digit अगर x है और दोनों की total 9 है, तो द डिजिट एट द टेंस प्लेस विल बी 9 माइनस एक्स. करेक्ट, दोनों का टोटल 9 है, तो प्ले द डिजिट सम ऑफ द टू डिजिट नंबर इज 9. The digits, if I add them, the total is 9, and out of that units place is x, so tens place will be 9 minus x. Now friends, just now I taught you the concept on that slate. This is tens place digit, it is not number, it is digit, and this is x is units place digit. Now how will you form the number? जो टेंस प्लेस का डिजिट रहता है उसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो दिस इज 10 इंटू 9 माइनस एक्स एंड प्लस यूनिट्स प्लेस दैट इज एक्स. ओके, सो दिस इज 90 माइनस 10x प्लस x. सो इट विल बी 90 माइनस 9x. होप यू आर गेटिंग दिस. ओके, सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप shall be, let us move ahead. Now what he says, when we interchange the digits, now what they are doing is they are interchanging the digit. It is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. But friends, before moving ahead, first of all we need to form a number by interchanging the digits. Now after we interchange, what will happen? Just focus, it's very important problem. See, this was tens place digit, so now this will become units place digit. So here I have written as units place 9 minus x. The digit at the units place was x, now it becomes the digit at the tens place. So the new number will be 10 into x, because x is the digit at tens place, so 10x plus 1 multiplied by 9 minus x. So this is 10x plus 9 minus x. So this is 10x minus x is 9x plus 9. Now what is this actually, friends? This is my new number when I interchange the digit. This is my old number, original number, and the original number and the new number, the difference is 27. Okay, the new number, this is greater, this is smaller, and the difference is 27. So that's what I have written here. New number minus original number is equal to 27. So new number was 9x plus 9 minus in bracket 90 minus 9x, so that's what I have written here, is equal to 27. So 9x plus 9 minus, friends please focus here, I have deliberately put a bracket because both of these will form a number. So many students, what they do is they don't use this bracket, so always they end up with wrong answers. So remember, 9x, now open the bracket, plus 9 minus 90 and minus of minus, that is plus 9x. This is very important step. Okay, is equal to 27. Now this is 9x plus 9x 18x plus 9 minus 90. So 90 minus 9 माने 81, और बड़े वाले नंबर का साइन देंगे. So this is minus 81 is equal to 27. So next step is 18x is equal to 27 as it is, minus 81 shifted to transpose to right hand side. So 18x equal to 27 plus 81. So 18x is equal to 108 and x equal to 108 divided by 18. So that comes out to 6. Fine, but 6 is what? It is value of x. Now what is x? Remember, it was the digit at the units place. Now we want to find out what is, he asked me what is the 2-digit number, that means the original number. Now friends, the original number we got a simplified form over here as 90 minus 9x. तो आपको क्या करना है, ये x की जगह पे अभी जो आंसर आपने निकाला वो यहाँ पुट अप कीजिए and you will get the original number. So the original number is 90 minus 9x. See here, 90 minus 9x, 90 minus 9 into 6. So that is 9 6 54, 90 minus 54. So the answer, original number is 36. Hope you are getting this. So Trisha, are you practicing this in your notebook? Have you written all the previous problems? I know you might have done it very well. Chalo, let us continue with next problem. 3/4 of a number is 60 more than its 1/3. हे भगवान, हाँ ये तो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लग रहा है बट इट इज़ नॉट एक्चुअली 3/4 ऑफ अ नंबर। तो पहले आपको क्या करना है, वेरी सिंपल, सी लेट एक्स बी द नंबर। अब ये आप इक्वेशन वगैरह बनाना उसके पीछे मत जाओ, जस्ट सिंपली 3/4 ऑफ अ नंबर। तो यहाँ लिखा मैंने, देखो 3/4 ऑफ एक्स इज 60 मोर देन 1/3। 1/3 ऑफ अ नंबर क्या होगा, 1/3 ऑफ एक्स। अब ये जो 3/4 ऑफ अ नंबर है, ये 1/3 ऑफ नंबर से ये बड़ा है, हाँ, इज़ मोर, बरोबर। तो आप क्या करोगे, बीच में इक्वल टू साइन, इफ आई पुट एन इक्वालिटी साइन देन दिस इज बिगर, दिस इज स्मॉलर, सो आई नीड टू ऐड 60 टू दिस साइड सो दैट दीज टू साइड्स बिकम इक्वल। ये बड़ा है, ये छोटा है, छोटे में 60 को ऐड करो तो ये दोनों इक्वल हो जाएगा। समझ में आ रहा है? या आप ऐसा भी समझ सकते हैं, देखो 3/4 ऑफ एक्स में से 1/3 ऑफ एक्स माइनस किया तो आंसर आता है 60। आप ऐसे भी समझ सकते हो। नाउ सिंप्लीफाई दिस, सी दिस इज सिंपली अ फ्रैक्शन। क्या करोगे, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, सो रिमेंबर दिस इज 3x इंटू 3, so it becomes 3 3s are 9x, correct, minus 4 into x, that is 4x, divided by 4 3s are 12 नीचे लिखा, is equal to 60। so 9x minus 4x कितना होगा, 5x equal to 60 multiplied by 12। 9x minus 4x is 5x, so x is equal to 60 into 12 by 5, 60 into 12 by 5, and therefore x is equal to 5 से ये कैंसिल कीजिए, ये 12, बरोबर। आई विल जस्ट डू इट फॉर यू, 5 1s are 5, 5 12s are 60, so 12 12s are 144, so value of x is 144। x यानी क्या है, तो इट इज़ अवर नंबर, और वही हमको पूछा था कि फाइंड द नंबर, so we got an answer as the number is 144। clear? Okay friends, now these are 3 problems for your homework। okay, देखिए, if I just continue with giving you solutions, it's not going to be helpful to you unless and until you try it yourself। so these are the problems which you have to try it, send me the snaps of solutions, I'll check it, okay, and we'll find out whether there is some mistake, and if you are unable to solve, let me know, I'll solve it in our next video। okay, so question number 6, I'll read it for you। when 75% of a number is added to 75, ओए 75% of a number is added to 75। एक नंबर, देखो मैं हिंट देता हूँ, लेट एज्यूम करो एक नंबर है x, ठीक है, तो उसका 75% ऑफ x प्लस 75, ठीक है, एंड देन द रिजल्टेंट नंबर इज़ द ओरिजिनल नंबर। तो आप इक्वेशन कैसे बनाओगे, 75% ऑफ x प्लस 75 इज इक्वल टू x, और उस पर से x का आंसर निकालना है और यहाँ आपको पुटअप करना है, ठीक है। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज 2x माइनस, दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, 2x माइनस 3/4 और कंप्लीट डिवाइडेड बाय 9x प्लस 4/7। ओके फ्रेंड्स, और ये बीच में इक्वलिटी साइन है 1/4। इसको आप पहले क्या करना, रिमेंबर, ये जो ऊपर न्यूमरेटर है ना, इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, इसको पहले सॉल्व कर कीजिए, डिनोमिनेटर को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके सॉल्व कीजिए, देन टेक दिस डिनोमिनेटर, कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय इन्वर्सिंग दिस, इन्वर्स करो उसको, ठीक है। बाद में आपको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड आएगा, फिर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए एंड देन यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स। इफ़ यू आर अनेबल टू सॉल्व, प्लीज़ लेट मी नो। फाइन, नेक्स्ट होमवर्क इज द टू नंबर्स whose sum is 28 and the difference is 4 are 18 and 10। again the two numbers whose sum is 28, दो ऐसे नंबर है जिसकी सम 28 है एंड डिफरेंस 4 है, वो दो नंबर्स है 18 एंड 10। टेस्ट वेदर इट इज़ ट्रू और फॉल्स। एक्चुअली आप बोलोगे सर ये तो बच्चों वाला एकदम दूसरी सेकेंड थर्ड का प्रॉब्लम है। येस इट इज़, you don't have to test, but rather you don't have to just give me the answer, you have to put it on paper that how come you are testing it, whether it is true or false. So both the results are to be tested and shown on paper। okay, so do it and complete the homework। so we shall stop here I shall be coming up with new videos, and if you are unable to solve these problems, let me know. I'll complete those in next video. Fine. Okay, thank you so much.